በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን።
And we even out of Babylon, straight to Mount Zion and the starline. Up to Nigeria, Gambia, Ghana, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Senegal, Guinea, Uganda, Chad, Togo, hey, and the destination Ethiopia.
How you think about that? How a leap of great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free up black people, live up black people. Are you not jail or someone feel like people? Mental shackles and chain in the brain, them trap people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jail or someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in the brain, them trap people. Yeah, my point is, the meek shall in every earth, I mean no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people, don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set, for them get the future, only the history will get so. So free up black people, live up black people. Are you not jail or someone feel like people? Mental shackles and chain in the brain, them trap people. So free up black people. So
back it up close, come near me now. Me have something me want share it now. It might look spooky and scary now, but be the co-pilot and steering now. No illusion, no fearing now. Just step me magic one and disappearing now. Reaching climax is clearly now. We no care if the neighbor them want hear we now. Forever in your arms, forever I will be. Forever making love, make sweet love to me. Forever in my heart, I'll take you everywhere. Forever I will plead, make sweet love to me. And when that sweet love they linger, it may